Todd, you got the dreaded foundation cracks. You call a bunch of businesses and they all give you different quotes. Why is that?
That's so true. It may sound like we're all doing the same thing from the exterior face of the foundation, but we're not. We're using different products and different processes. When you typically excavate on the outside face of a foundation wall, you will find something similar to this. There will be dirt on the wall, there will be irregularities from original construction. Some people try to use wire brushes or scrapers or even power wash it. That's not enough for these products to adhere to the wall. The gold seal standard that Shield uses is we actually grind the face of this wall, so we remove all these contaminants and we smooth the wall, and we're creating and etching the wall so that our liquid applied waterproofing product bonds to the wall, fills all the irregularities, and it's got over 2,000% elasticity, so it moves with your foundation.
If you want it to stick, you got to stick with shieldfoundationrepair.ca. Protect what matters most.